हार्दिक नमस्कार।
I am Khushi from class 10th A,
I am Alisha from class 10th A,
presenting the second edition of DAV News Bulletin for session 2024-25. Main headlines of this edition are:
Haryanvi folk dance honored by the Governor of Haryana, 2 days teachers workshop at secondary level, celebration of Guru Parv, tree plantation program, book donation drive week, silver medal in hockey championship, DAV sports competition, Chaturvedastikam Mahayaj, extension lecture for senior students, 2 days teachers workshop for English and mathematics at senior secondary level, Independence Day celebration, Shri Krishna Janmashtami celebration.
दिनांक 12 जून 2024 को हरियाणा राज्य बाल कल्याण परिषद द्वारा आयोजित राज्य स्तरीय बाल पुरस्कार वितरण समारोह में मुख्य अतिथि श्री बंडारू दत्तात्रेय माननीय राज्यपाल हरियाणा ने शिरकत की। इस कार्यक्रम में हमारे स्कूल के विद्यार्थियों ने एक हरियाणवी लोक नृत्य की प्रस्तुति दी, जिसे माननीय राज्यपाल के द्वारा खूब सराहा गया। यह कार्यक्रम पंचकुला के इंद्रधनुष ऑडिटोरियम में आयोजित किया गया। हरियाणा राज्य बाल कल्याण परिषद द्वारा हमारे विद्यार्थियों को स्मृति चिन्ह देकर सम्मानित भी किया गया।
On 29th and 30th June 2024, a capacity building program was held in our school premises through Regional Training Center, Jean Zone, under the aim for excellence in study. Around 280 educators from all subjects participated enthusiastically in this 2-day seminar. All the teachers learned innovative techniques of teachings and cleared their doubts from their respective subjects' mentors. Shri Kuldeep Agnihotri, Deputy President of Haryana Literary and Culture Academy and ex-Vice Chancellor of Central University Dharmshala, kindly graced the occasion as the chief guest of this program. Dr. Dharmdev Vidyarthi guided to all with his wisdom words to all. 20 जुलाई को विद्यालय में गुरु पर्व के उपलक्ष्य में चरित्र निर्माण क्लब की ओर से अपने देश के सभी गुरुओं और महापुरुषों के आदर्शों पर प्रकाश डाला गया। सभी कक्षाओं के छात्रों ने विभिन्न क्रियाओं जैसे पोस्टर, स्लोगन, भाषण से महापुरुषों का गुणगान किया। इस मौके पर प्रधानाचार्य श्रीमती साधना बख्शी जी ने स्वामी दयानंद जी, विवेकानंद जी, श्री श्रद्धानंद जी, भगत सिंह, महात्मा गांधी जी के दिखाए रास्तों पर चलने की प्रेरणा दी और सभी गुरुओं को शत शत नमन किया।
डीएवी पब्लिक स्कूल में एनएसएस यूनिट की तरफ से 20 जुलाई को पौधारोपण को बढ़ावा देने के लिए एक पौधा मां के नाम अभियान का शुभारंभ किया गया, जिसके तहत एनएसएस कार्यक्रम अधिकारी श्री अमित कुमार के मार्गदर्शन में स्वयंसेवकों के द्वारा 100 पौधे लगाए गए। प्रधानाचार्य श्रीमती साधना बख्शी जी ने स्वयंसेवकों को वृक्षों के महत्व के बारे में बताते हुए ग्लोबल वार्मिंग के खतरों से सचेत रहने को कहा, ताकि आने वाली पीढ़ी को इनका फायदा मिल सके। From 29th July to 3rd August, a book donation drive week was organized in our school. Open Digital Library, under the efforts of our librarian Shri Krishan Lal and kind guidance of Principal Ma'am. During this time, the teachers and students donated many text and reference books of various subjects. These books will be helpful for the students who are needy and curiosity seekers. In this way, they also learned humanity as well.
This was a proud moment for all DAVians when our school student Naitik bagged silver medal in North Zone Sub-Junior Hockey Championship held at Major Dhyan Chand Stadium, Jhansi. Our principal madam congratulated Naitik and his parents for this wonderful achievement and blessed him for this shining star to be shown in future like this.
Our DAV Public School Pundri hosted DAV Sports Competition on 4th August at cluster level, in which many DAV school teams participated in volleyball, basketball and karate. Our principal ma'am, Mrs. Sadhna Bakshi, presided over this event. In under 17 and under 19 volleyball competition, our school brought laurels to win gold medal. In all age groups, our school karate teams were overall champion. This event was held in a well-planned and disciplined manner. In basketball, under boys 14 and girls team got gold medal as well. There was a jubilant atmosphere all around us and feeling elated.
विद्यालय के प्रांगण में 7 अगस्त से 14 अगस्त के दौरान श्रावणी पर्व एवं संस्कृत दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में चतुर्वेदस्तकम महायज्ञ व वेद प्रचार सप्ताह का आयोजन किया गया, जिसमें यज्ञ ब्रह्मा आचार्य रविंद्र कुमार शास्त्री के सानिध्य में महोपदेशक डॉक्टर प्रमोद योगार्थी एवं भजनोपदेशक श्री कुलदीप आर्य व श्री जसविंदर आर्य ने शिरकत की। पूरे सप्ताह विभिन्न कक्षाओं के विद्यार्थियों ने यज्ञ में आहुति डाली। यह कार्यक्रम डीएवी प्रबंधकर्ता समिति के प्रधान पद्म श्री पूनम सूरी जी के दिशा निर्देश व प्राचार्य श्रीमती साधना बख्शी के अध्यक्षता में इस महायज्ञ का शुभारंभ किया गया। इस महायज्ञ के शुभारंभ में श्लोक उच्चारण, चारों वेदों का ज्ञान, भजन इत्यादि का आयोजन किया गया।
An extension lecture was organized on 13th August by Sandeep Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, Panipat Institute of Engineering and Technology. The students of classes 11th and 12th, all streams participated and got motivated by this intellectual personality. He delivered his lecture by following all the prominent characters of Mahabharata and joined it with all the instincts of human beings like greed, justice, bravery, etc. Their students were taking a great interest in it. At the last, our principal ma'am blessed all. A souvenir was also presented to the motivator.
At senior level, 2 days workshop for subjects of English and mathematics was conducted by our school on 10th and 11th August. All the DAV schools of Jind zone attended this workshop and benefited a lot by some changing in various topics of their respective subjects. The mentors instructed them keenly and awarded the challenges which come through during classroom techniques. Some new teaching activities were also done with proper interaction with all teachers. Other DAV school principals of this zone also visited this workshop and enlightened the teachers.
78th Independence Day was celebrated in our school compound with zest and zeal. The function was started by hoisting our national flag, followed by a national anthem sung by all present there. The school building was decorated by tricolors. The students of various classes participated in many types of performance like dance, drama, speeches, songs, poems, etc. A marvelous skit on water shortage problem was also staged by the students and appreciated by all. The audience enjoyed a lot. They were fulfilled by completely the spirit of patriotism and raised slogans together Vande Mataram and Bharat Mata Ki Jai. On this auspicious day, our yoga team presented yoga at Police Line Ground, Kathal, organized by district administration. Our yogis were honored and appreciated there. Our principal ma'am also delivered an exciting speech and motivated all by her wisdom.
On 24th August, a great religious festival, Shri Krishna Janmashtami, was celebrated in our school with full of excitement. Through speeches delivered by students, the birth and life of Shri Krishna was told to all present there. Some heart-touching and wonderful performances related to Krishna Bal Leela, Krishna Sudama Milan, Dandiya dance, Dahi Handi dance, etc. were also performed on the stage. The students were in colorful attire and looking gorgeous. The principal madam also discussed the teachings of Lord Krishna in her speech and blessed to all. धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।